If you are looking for shows to binge like this, or early access to shows like this, then look for this icon. That's the Passport icon. It means that video is part of Passport, which offers extended access to a growing library of favorite PBS programs. Now, we will take you to the activation process for KPBS Passport. If you have an Amazon FireTV stick or FireTV, here's how to download the PBS app. Hover over Search. Type in PBS in the search bar. Hover over PBS channel and click. Scroll down to the Install button and select. It'll take a few moments to download, and then you can open the app like this. It's time to activate your account. Click Activate Now, and you'll be instructed to go to pbs.org/activate on your mobile device or computer. You'll need to open up a web browser and type in the URL bar pbs.org/activate. Enter your unique activation key. Click the white text box space next to the blue button and type in your code. Once you've typed in your code, click Continue. Sign in with your information you use to activate KPBS Passport with your PBS, Facebook, Apple, or Google account. Your Fire TV is now activated. You'll have easy access when you're ready to stream all your favorite PBS shows anytime, anywhere.